Am I in your shot again? I'm so sorry, man. What do you say something, Cindy? Don't come here.
No, you're good, you're good, you're good. Hello. Today is a very special vlog. I'm gonna teach you how to make pour over coffee. Here at Mendel is a big culture thing because every morning someone makes a cup of coffee, but if you don't make your coffee, you're not starting your day correctly. So I, Benny, will teach you how to make the best pour over coffee here at Mendel. Alright, so before we start, I just want to show you the tools that you need in order to make pour over coffee. First, you need your beans. Then you need to measure how much beans you're going to use for your coffee, and then you put that into your grinder and you grind up your beans. You need a scale to make sure how many grams of beans you need to make a perfect cup of pour over coffee. Then you need a dripper and you need a cup. It could be this cup, it could be like any cup that you use to drink coffee. Put on top. And now you need a filter to filter your coffee, so when you pour water on top of your coffee, it'll drip down to the dripper and it'll drip all your coffee down. Last but not least, this is the most important tool for pour over coffee. You need a kettle and you need to boil your water at 212 Fahrenheit. Let's get started. First, you want to see if there's any water in the kettle. If not, what I recommend you do is go get water. Then you want to start boiling your water at 212 Fahrenheit, which is 100 Celsius. Then you want to start getting your beans ready and your coffee filter. Here I'm cleaning out the cup of old coffee grinds. Then I start measuring. I like to do around 22 to 25 grams for single origins coffee beans. Then I start grinding up the beans. I am getting ready my cup, my dripper, and my coffee filter. After the beans are finished grinding, I then pour them into the coffee filter. Then I wait for my water to be boiled to 212 Fahrenheit, which is 100 Celsius. I start the timer, and as the time starts, I am pouring the water in a circular motion. I keep pouring in a circular motion until it is 40 grams of water. As the time hits 40 seconds, I then start pouring and I go all the way up to 150 grams of water. Once I hit 150 grams of water and the time is 110, I then start pouring again until I go all the way up to 250 grams of water. As it hits 140, I then pour in circular motion again until I go all the way up to 350 grams of water. Once my coffee is done, I pour it into a cup like this. So after I make my coffee, I like to use a little bit of creamer, and today's choice is International Delight. I'm not sponsored. I wish I was sponsored, but I'm not. And this flavor is the Cold Stone one, sweet cream. And that's it. That's how you make the perfect pour over coffee here at Mendel. It is a Mendel Special, so please give it a shot, try it, and let me know how it goes. Leave in the comments how much you really enjoy pour over coffee. If not, it's okay, but cheers.